everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for the new Glam subscriber, welcome. Carita Stylish Ways, and today's look we are doing is soft glam. My channel is about makeup, fashion, hair, beauty on the whole. So this is how the soft glam turn out. I hope you all like it. If you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching, and don't forget subscribe, comment and like, and put on your notification bell if you want to see more uploads of my upcoming videos. I have so much in store for you all, so please come back and watch. Bye. Hi Glam subscribers, I'm jumping right in with a voiceover. I'm putting on my headband to pull back my hair from my face. I'll be applying Smashbox Photo Finish Minimize Pores Primer on my face before I put on the foundation, so it will minimize my pores. Yeah, and I continue rubbing it in until it dissolves into my skin. I'll be using L'Oreal Hydrate Perfection powder. It's a translucent powder, and I'm applying some on my face for me to get that matte finish to perfection. Then I'll be coming in with RK by Kiss Jellylicious. It's a lip gloss. Just applying some on my lip so my lip could be moist and nice. So when I'm ready to apply my lipstick, it will come out perfect. Straight into my eyes, I am priming my eyes with the P. Louise Base Pro Rumor 2, and I am applying some on each eyelid, and then after I'm going on patting to perfection until I get the result that I want. And I just love this P. Louise base. When I'm painting on eyeshadow, the colors come out very vibrant, which I love. First time I use it, I fall in love with it, so I will never change it for nothing else, and I just keep on patting it out. This brush is a showstopper brush. This is a nice brush to stiffen your eyeshadow primer as well. So right now I'm just smoothing out everything to perfection until I get the results that I want. The eyeshadow primer came out very smooth. Then I'm going in with the palette by Warrior by Juvia's Place. And the first eyeshadow I am going in with is the Cano, the brown. That shade of brown is very nice. I am applying it to the corner of my eyelids with a Morphe brush. M44 Wonder is the brush. So I am tapping it in to the outer corner of my lids, and I am working it in towards the corner of my eye. So you will see me watching down. I am looking at the mirror. I am working my eyeshadow towards my inner corner of my eye. I'll be back and forth applying the eyeshadow pigment from the palette. So I am building the eyeshadow until I get the volume that I want. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and put on your notification. And I continue blending until I get the perfection that I want, until I am pleased with it. I love to use the Cano eyeshadow as a transition color, so that's what I keep on going back and forth, and I keep on blending. So the next palette I'll be using is Revolution Sofix. It's an ultra eyeshadow. I'll be using this to put in the next color over the transition color, the color that I'm pointing out. They do not have any name, so that will be my color in the crease. So I am patting it in the crease until I build up the volume that I want. So I'll keep patting it in and blending it towards my inner corner of my eye. If you'll notice, the palette cover is break off because it fell to the ground and it split in two. So I have to use it how it is, but the eyeshadow is normal. I went back in the palette by the Warrior by Juvia's and tap into some more Kano eyeshadow and blend it in towards my inner corner of my eyelid, and I just keep on blending until I get at perfection. I took some P. Louise Base Pro Rumor 2 and pat it over my eyelids. I did not cut any crease, I just pat it over. I took my finger and blended over it. Then I went in with some Ahosis, the cream color. I use that for my eyelids and I just pat it until it is blending properly. Glam subscribees, I will be videotaping one side of my eye and the next side I will not be videotaping. You'll notice I am using my camera. First time I'm using it to make videos and I'm liking how it's turning out so far. So I'll be interchanging from my phone and my camera. I will be going back in with the Revolution palette and dipping back in the same color. I am tapping the eyeshadow to the outer corner of my eyelid and I am immerging it with the cream color of the eyeshadow and blending it towards the inner corner of my eye. I did my next eyelid off camera, so I am going in with a liquid eyeliner Nikki to draw my wing, but I'm not doing a big wing, I'm just doing a small wing, a simple wing, just to go across my eyelid. I will be using Sephora liquid liner just to darken up the previous one for it to be jet black. I like to see it jet black and not light. While I'm doing my face, this is the happy dance, so I'm very happy that how it came out. I am going into my foundation using MAC, and I will be using Real Technique foundation brush to blend out my foundation. So I am going into my foundation. I am stuffing the foundation into my face, around my face, and then I am using my Makeup Fix Plus Spray and Slay, my brand, and I will be spritzing it all over my face. And then after I'm going in with the sponge and tapping it in. I love to use this Fix Plus. It sets my face and make my foundation come out smooth. The LA Pro Concealer, I'm using this for my concealer underneath my eyes, on my nose, on my forehead, on my chin. And after I will be blending it in into my skin. When using the LA Pro Concealer, I find it is dry very quick, so I just use some Fix Plus and spray it. But it has worked pretty well. Can't go wrong with drugstore brand. The Black Opal True Color Cabo, I'm using that to contour my face. I do not put the stick on my face. I spritz it first and then I take a brush and tap it in my face and build it up. I do not swipe any stick on my face because it will be harder to blend out. So what I do, I just build up my contour on my face. I am passing the brush on my cheekbone, my high cheekbone, on the both sides of my face, and then I will be passing it around the perimeter of my forehead and blending it in to the consistency that I want until I am satisfied with the result. I have a round face, so I will be putting some contour underneath my chin and blending it out so I can get that sharp look, if you can see. Plus my nose as well, I'll be contouring my nose to get that sharp look, and I will be blending in the contour on my nose. When I finish, my nose will be very shaped and skinny. I'll be going in with my Airspun loose face powder to put over my concealer, using this as my highlighter powder. So I'll be tapping it in under my eyes, over my forehead, on my chin, and on my nose as well. I will be leaving it on for 2 minutes for it to set on my face until I am ready to take it out. So right now I'm listening to some soca music in the background, if you can see. City Color contour palette, I will be using the bronzer to put over the contour to darken up my contour a little bit because I love it. Subscribe. This is optional for you all if you want your face darken a little bit. You don't want to go through this process, but I love to bronze and contour my face so I could get the shape of my face. If you can see, I am doing my nose the same thing as well, and underneath my chin. So this part is optional. Right, I'm going in with the powder brush, and dusting out my highlighter powder, and then after I will be going into my face with the Fix It Plus and spraying so I can emerge all the products and blend it in with a sponge. And then I using the Sephora blush, and I will be putting on some on my high cheekbones to get that orange tone. Same way you can build up your contour, the same way you can build up your blush. I'll be going in with the mascara, Maybelline New York, and I will be applying it on my eyelashes first before I put on my false eyelashes. I finally find my face fan, so I am just blowing my eyes to dry up the mascara. Yeah, it was a long overdue of finding this. I use a black eyeliner called MK Auto, and I apply it in my waterline. If you can see, then I came in with this brush and tapping in some Revolution, same color, and I blend it underneath my waterline. Smoke it out, and I engage it with the outer crease of my eyeshadow. And I just tap back in some eyeshadow to make it look good. I went in with my AOA super glue for my eyelashes. I apply it on my eyelashes and I tap in my eyelashes. Afterwards I remember I had my face fan, so the next side I did use the face fan and blow it out a little bit while I'm dancing. So here it is. I took the eyelashes clamp and clamped my eyelashes and the false eyelashes together so it could become in one, and I did the next side the same thing so it could curl up as well. Then I took my Makeup Fix Plus and spray my face, and I also took the sponge and tap it in together so it will not look powdery. I went in with my highlighter, Pat McGrath Labs Sublime Skin Highlighting Trio, with a Morphe brush in the shade Bronze Nectar. I also spray the brush before I tap it in the highlighter palette, and then I apply it. You see how it turned out? very bright and vibrant. This highlighter is to die for. Pat McGrath, oh gosh, her products is the best. Then I took some and passed it on my nose bridge and on my chin as well. And then I blend it in with my brush. I went in with a brown pencil on my lip, and then when I line off my lip and plump my lips, I went in with lip gloss LA shimmer glitter, and I apply it on my lip, top and bottom, until I get the amount that I want. I went in with my Fix Plus spray and spit my face both ways, and that was it. This is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Bye.